So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in shell : startup and then click on enter. Any applications that we add into this folder will automatically start up once our computer turns on. So let's say that I want Brave to automatically start when my computer turns on. I'm going to go to search and type in Brave. Now I'm going to right click on it and then click on open file location. Now I'm going to right click on my application again and then click on open file location again. You want to find your application.exe file. So if we click on view and then we click on show, then we click on file name extensions, it's going to be showing your application.exe. It should be having a picture of your application, and under type it should be saying application. And it's most likely going to be the largest size application in the folder. So now once you find the application that you want to do it for, you want to right click on it and then click on copy, go to the startup apps folder. We're now going to paste it into here. So you want to right click and then paste. Now every time I turn on my computer, Brave will automatically start up. That's how you do it. Another way is we can go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. And if any applications here come up, you can turn them on and they will automatically start up.